friends, I am Dr. Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Practical Programming in C video series. In this video we will discuss a triangle program but according to the input string. It means suppose you enter one string, suppose if I input my name like Ashwin, then the triangle will be generated based on our input string like A, AS, ASH, ASHW, I and N. So let's start how we can generate this kind of triangle. So as per the definitions, we have to input any string, right? Any string, as you know that it's a collection of characters, and it's a general program. We will discuss a general program because there is no limit that you have to enter the string only of 5 character or 6 character. According to the number of character, it will display the triangle, left aligned triangle. So let's start the thinking about the logic of this program. Again, here first we have to declare one string variable, but there is no string variable in C language. There is no directly string concept. So if you want to declare a string, then we have to declare the character array. So first character, name of 10, the size of character array is 10, and here I will just, for the example, for demonstration, I have fixed my string over here Ashwin, right? But I will show you in a practical that you take the string from user, and according to the dynamic string it will generate the this triangle. So here one character array Ashwin, I have initialized the initial string. Now how it allocate into the memory? So this is the memory structures. Like we know that in the character array the name of array will be same, the subscript or you can say index is different, and index always start with 0. So first character will be assigned to first index, second character will assign to second index, then H, W, I, N, and we know that every string end with the null character. So actually we have defined the 10 size of array, but it will assign only the total 6 position, or you can say 6 character. So this is the internal structures of the this string. Now as per our practice, we want to display a left aligned triangle. So here also we have to think about two for loop. One is outer for loop. Now here first of all you can write this program using different way. Here you can calculate the length of the string. According to that you can say execute this loop. But here I is equal to 0. We know that how we want to display this character. So whatever first character is that it should be available in first line, then remaining next 2 characters should be displayed in second line, then first 3 characters should be displayed in third line according to that. Then how many lines we want to print? So again, if you want to make a general program, then this loop we have to continue till the end of you can say the null character, because every string end with the null character. So how we can make the this loop little bit different? So I always start with 0, because here we want to fetch one by one character, and first character is initialized in the 0 index. So how we can fetch this A? So using array name and index. So name of 0, it means we can able to fetch the first character. So that's why I have started my index is 0, I is equal to 0, counter will start from 0. Then name of I means first time is 0. So name of 0 means what? Name of 0 means first character A. Not equal to null. Not equal to null means I want to fetch one by one each and every character till I reach at the null character. So this loop will continue starting from reading of first character to up to the null character, then I plus plus. So this is the first logic of this outer loop. Then inner loop, we know that here in first line it display only one character, second line it display 2 character. So J always start with 0 here, and J less than, because here first line 1 character, second line 2 character, third line 3 character. So J is depend on the I, and here see I starts from 0, that's why I started J from 0. If otherwise what happen, if we start from 1, then first time I is 0, so first time this loop will not execute, so it will not display the A character. That's why we want to display 1 characters in first line. So first line number start from 0, that's why j also we have started from 0, and j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. After that, from array we want to display one by one character. So how we can fetch one by one character? Using array name. So array name is name of j, because here see we don't want to display all character in the first line one by one. So first time I is 0, this loop will execute only one time. So it will fetch only name of 0 and display the characters, right? In second line what happened? I becomes 1. So j start from 0 up to 1, means 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means it will display A and S. So it will display A and S. So this is the logic of this overall program. Let's start a quick overview of step-by-step execution. When we execute this program, the cursor blinking at the top left corner, and I start from 0, name of 0, it means capital A, so it's not a null, so condition becomes true. Now we come to the j is equal to 0, j less than I, it means this loop will execute one time. So name of j is 0, so name of 0 means A, so it display A. Now j becomes 1, j is increment by 1, but here this condition become false, so it will execute the /n, so cursor move to the next line. Now I increment by 1, so I becomes 1. Then here name of 1 means S, so it is not a null, so this condition becomes true. Now in inner loop j start from 0 and j less than 1, so it means this inner loop will execute 2 times. Now j start from 0, it means name of 0 means which character? A. Then j is increment by 1, so j becomes 1, condition becomes true. Now name of 1 means which character? S, so it display S. Now j increment by 1, it becomes 2, this condition become false, and then it executes /n, so cursor move to the next line. Again I increment by 1, so the name of 2, it means H, so it's not a null, so condition becomes true. But j start from 0, it means 0, 1 and 2, and j of 0, first it display the A, then j increment by 1, j of 1 S, then it increment by j name of 2 means H. Now j becomes 3, condition become false, then /n, cursor move to the next line. Again I is increment by 3, again name of 3 W, it's not null, again it start from 0, S. So in that way it will execute 3 times H and W, and finally now I becomes 4, and again j start from 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in that way it will display and fetch one by one character. Let's we see the same logic in the Turbo C, how we can write this program. So here the definition is we want to display the triangle according to input value. Suppose I am input my name, then we have to include 2 header file stdio.h, conio.h, and in main function how many variables we require? So first for loop, 2 loop we require, I for outer, j for inner loop, and to store the string here I have declared one character array name of 20. Then clear screen. Now first here we will ask the user to enter any string for the triangle. Now we can scan the string using 2 different statements. One is using scanf, we can mention %s as a format specifier and ampersand name. But here the limitation of that %s_m, if you enter a string with space, then it will not accept the space data. It will only scan the data which is before the space. But suppose if you want to store a string with the space, then you can use the built-in string function, that is getS name. So we can use this. Now as we discuss the logic of this program, for loop I is equal to 0, name of I not equal to null, and I plus plus. Similarly inner loop j start from 0, j less than I, j plus plus, and printf we want to display character by characters of name of j, which means array. So let's say execute this program, and friends, this program source code, I have given the link in this video description part, so you can download this source code and you can do the practice in your laptop. Suppose if I write my name like Ashwin, then this triangle is displayed like this. Suppose if I execute this and if I write my complete name like Dr.Ashwin Dobariya like this, then my triangle is like that. So this program become a general program. So I hope friends you enjoy and understood the logic of this program, how we can make this general triangle program of a characters. So in that way we can draw any triangle. So see friends, in this video descriptions I have also given the link of other theory and practical C programming videos. So please friends, share this video with your friends so they can also get the benefits, and if you have any suggestion, feedback, kindly write in a comment of this video. And in the next video we will discuss again one different or you can say unique programs. Again it's a triangle, but now we will not use a two loop. How we can draw this kind of triangle using single loop, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you friends.